Okay, y'all, so this right here is my new baby. I have a few babies, but this is my first love right here. And this was gifted to me. And so I'm doing an unboxing of it right now. I've had one like this one time before. These are all the little parts that come with it. I know somebody gonna ask me if I'm gonna be doing any sewing tutorials, but if people would watch it, then I would do it. But I can't do something if people are not going to watch, because these videos take some time to do. So this, of course, is the foot. These are the extra petals and the other stuff that you have to connect to it and all that good stuff. And let's see what else is in here. This is the cord. And what's this? Some extra stuff? All right. I think this is the extended table to go along with it. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah, that's what that is. It's the extended table. Well, that's not a table, but gives you a little bit more length. Okay. So that's what that was. So I'm getting ready to take the sewing machine out of the box. So I'm gonna set it in the floor. Of course, you have a big old sewing. Well, it's not sewing, but it's got the instructions and all that. Yeah, this tells you, this is the instruction guide. Pretty much tell you everything that, and just tell you how to operate it. I think both of these are the same. It's the same thing. I think one is in English and one is in Spanish. Yeah, see, one is in English. Yeah, and one is in Spanish. Okay, so that's that. And then it's more stuff. Oh no, it's just the packaging. All right, so hold on, y'all. So I took this out of the box, and I still gotta find a way to get in here to the extra. So I'm ripping off this tape, because they really got it on here. You used to just slide it out and so as you can see, I got it halfway out. And it's finally popped out. So this is it right here. All of that. Let's take this off. These are all the stitches that this baby can do. And this is the Brother SQ9285. This is the computerized version. So it's run by, I guess, a computer. It has some computer chips or something inside of it. Well, I tell you, they really got this, really got it on here. It's already threaded. They got the bobbin in there already.
So the carton catch.
All right, so y'all have seen me unbox this beautiful baby right here. And I'm going to be showing y'all some projects. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a wonderful and amazing day, everyone. And until my next upload, peace and blessings. See ya.